Okay. Have you heard, anyone has heard this concept called alpha mind power? Have you ever heard this concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Alpha mind power. Okay. See, what is alpha
Yes,
mind
sir.
power? Let me explain that to you. Our
Uh,
heart beats, right? Our heart,
Yes.
like lub dub, it keeps beating, right? Our heart keeps on beating, lub dub, and you want to measure your heartbeat. There's one instrument called ECG, right? You can do with stethoscope. Doctors will check your pulse, or they do with something called ECG, electrocardiogram. Yes or no? ECG, like that. Our brain too keeps on emitting electrical impulses. Our brain, it keeps on emitting some electrical impulses, and in what? Four different ways. Okay, what are those four different, right? What are those? Beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Now, how do you measure? This one instrument for this. Now, this instrument is called what? Electroencephalogram. So, that heartbeat you measure with something called ECG, electrocardiogram, ECG. This one, EEG means electroencephalogram. EEG, and you can go to any top hospital in India, and sometimes they do check. When you say I'm not able to focus, I'm not able to really understand, they do put this instrument and they check EEG. And what are the four waves? Beta, alpha, theta, and delta. What are those four waves? Let us check this. Okay, let us check this. So this is how the EEG instrument will be there. Quite costly affair, right? Has anyone got EEG test done till now? Anyone has got EEG test done?
No,
Anyone
sir.
of you? Any one of you? Have you
no,
got?
No.
no.
Nobody?
Yes, sir.
Any doctor here? Doctor?
Technician,
Huh?
technology, sir.
Anyone?
Technologist.
Any one of you heard about this EEG?
Yes,
Electro?
sir.
Yes, sir. I see. In the neurology department, they used to do. In the
Yes,
neurology department, sir.
yes, absolutely right. Yeah, they do in the neurology department. Okay. See, this uh, four different waves. Okay. First of all, let us talk about beta. Beta means what? 14 to 21 cycles per second. How many? 14 to
14 to 20.
21 cycles per second. 14 to 21. And how it looks, if you can see this, okay, you can see beta means what? The waves, no, they keep on going up and down, up and down. So this state, when are we there? Most of the awakened time. So when we are awake, most of the time we are in beta. Right now, I'm talking to you, you're talking to me. If you can check EEG, most of the time we will be in beta. Understand, we are in beta state. Most of us in beta. Okay, beta state. Okay, beta. And when you are in beta state, what will happen is only the left brain will function, right? Only left brain will function. And 90% of the time, the right brain will not function, only left brain. Means what? You will become very skeptical, you become arrogant, you become irritated, you become impatient, you will have hatred, you will have jealousy, and you will keep fighting for no reason. You keep shouting and fighting with people. Okay, when we are in beta, so it is not an empowering state. It's not an empowering state. So beta state means what? You are at less efficiency. That's why, have you ever seen somebody is going on a bike, suddenly one auto took abrupt right turn, and then that auto fellow came and hit the bike, and this fellow will shout, idiot fellow, don't you see this or not? So that auto fellow will stop and say, kya bolta hai, idiot fellow bolta hai mujhe, who the hell? Have you seen people dusham fighting for small thing? Okay, for small little thing, it will
Yes,
cause
sir.
so much of agitation, so much of fighting, that people will fight. Why? Because you're in beta state. And when you're in beta state, you will have no concentration. That means what? When you say I'm not having good memory, it means what? You're not able to concentrate, you're not able to focus, you're not able to really think something good, right? So have you ever thought why people are very envious, jealous, selfish, and why there is so much of animosity, why there is so much of impatience, why people do they fight? If you understand, because all of them are in alpha state. For small things they become very angry, very impatient, and then they keep fighting. You will have no proper concentration. So many thoughts keep coming. You will have no good memory, and you will not have, empowering state. Okay, this is a beta state. That's why most of us, when we are awake, we are not able to achieve what we want to achieve. Number one, beta state. Okay, now let us come to what is alpha state. Alpha state, okay, so this beta state is 14 to 21 cycles per second. And when you see alpha state, okay, alpha state is what, 7 to 14 cycles per second. And how it looks, 7 to 14, no, this is like sea waves, no, like tarangana, sea waves, it's like this, sea waves, happy, it goes like this and coming, musical waves. And alpha state of mind, this is alpha. And when are we in alpha? See, small children, from the moment we are born till we become 10 years old, naturally children are supposed to be in alpha. Understand, we are in alpha. That's why what actually happens is, imagine mummy will shout at you, mummy is trying to scold you, or mummy will hit you for 5-6 minutes. You'll be upset, you will go into the bedroom and you will cry again. After that, again you will come and hold your mummy. Yes or no? Why? Because you're able to forget. So that's why children, we call them as what? The reincarnation of God. So that's why small children, they will never tell lie. Why they will not tell lie? Because they are activating the right brain, and they are in alpha state of mind. Children, they'll have very good receptivity, they'll have a lot of creativity, very lovable, right? They will not have hatred, they will not have jealousy, and now they will not have any such kind of fighting thing. So alpha state, when you are there, your left and right, both the brains will function, and that's when you are going to be very, very empowered. Means with the right brain you dream, and with the left brain you make a plan as to how to make the right brain active. So right and left, both the brains, you are going to work. Okay, now that is an alpha state. Means children by birth, the moment they are born till they become 10 years old, naturally in alpha. Number two, other than this, when people are in alpha, see, sometimes when you don't have peace of mind, what you do, when you feel very exhausted, you go to the garden. Yes or no? You go to the Indira Park, right? And you go nice, beautiful, in the forest. You go to trekking. You go into the nature. Yes or no? So why you go into the nature? So when you go to the garden, when you are in the park, right? And when you are walking there, what will happen? And then automatically you come to alpha state of mind, because you feel very peaceful. Okay, right? Number one, right? Number two, whenever you want to get relaxed in the evening time, you go to Vizag, RK Beach. You also go to different beaches in Mumbai, right? In Cochin, in Trivandrum, in Chennai. Why you go to the beach side? What will happen? Because when you're walking on the beach side, the cold breeze coming over the waves, right? And it comes and touches you, and your hair goes up and down. Okay, it's coming and kissing your cheeks, and you feel so nice. That's why whenever you think that you are not in good mood and you are tired, you go to the beach, you feel very good. Yes or no? Third thing, when you go to the temple, when you go to the church, when you go to the mosque, what will happen? You feel very good about yourself. Yes or no? Imagine you have some problem, you think, I'm not able to find a solution, I'm not able to win. What do? You go to the temple. So why do you go to temple? And when you go to temple, half an hour you spend, when you come back, you feel very nice. And you say, when I go to Tirupati, when I go to Bhadrachalam, when I go to Varanasi, and when I go to Rishikesh, and when I go to Madurai Kamakshi temple, I feel very good. My question is, have you seen God? Any one of you, have you seen God here? Any one of you seen God?
No, sir.
No,
No?
sir.
No, sir.
No.
Maybe my father must
Sir, I
have.
have a
No, sir.
doubt.
You have seen God. Huh? My father must have seen, because my father died. He must have seen. He must have gone to heaven. He must have seen it. But he has not come back and told me. So God, whether he's there or not, is only a belief.
Believe. Yes,
It's
sir.
only belief. It's only faith.
Sir.
If you think God is there, he is there. If you think God is not there, he is not there. Okay. It's all about you having that belief. Okay. God is only a belief. It's only a faith. Okay. God, okay, is there. Right. So, but when you go to temple, why you feel nice? Because most of the temples are on top of the mountain. Tirupati temple, top of the mountain. Anywhere, see top of the mountain only you have temples, right? And people nicely they're working. Edkondlawada, Venkatramana, Govinda, right?
Yes, sir.
Sai Sharanam, Ayappa Sharanam, Sai. You understand, no? Whether you go to, Ayappa, Sabrimala, you go, any temple you go, most of them are on the top of the mountain. And cold breeze comes there, okay? People are in harmony, and you go 3 times around the temple, and then that time nice beautiful music is playing, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, and then you go around the temple. Coconut, you sit on the steps, you eat some coconut, and then you sit there, and then you are simply thinking, no? Then what will happen? Automatically from beta you come to alpha. And you say, oh my God, only I failed in exam. Only this is the problem that I have got. Somebody came and shouted. For this only why am I depressed? Why should I commit suicide? Why should I actually give up my life? Why should I not fight? That's why when you go to temple, you feel very nice. And if you're a Christian, Sunday morning, you go to church. Why? When you go to church, you feel very good about yourself. And then, when you do namaz, you sit down there, you pray, right? That's one method. You feel very good. Similarly, imagine here, when you go to school, right? When you're small children, first thing what we do when you go to school here, first thing what do? You are in the prayer, yes or no? Assembly will be there, yes or no? You say Janagana Manadanak Jege, and then you take one pledge also, and then you sit, close your eyes, and you do meditation for 2 minutes. You do that prayer assembly, right? And once you do assembly, once you go into the class, what will happen? During assembly, automatically you are coming to alpha state of mind. Once you come to alpha state of mind, what will happen is automatically you will have super concentration. That's why first period, second period, third period, you feel very nice. Why? Because you just now you came from the assembly and you did that prayer, right? And then you feel very nice about it. Okay,
Yes,
are you understanding? Sometimes, no, you go and attend any musical concert. Imagine Mangalampalli Balamurli Krishna, M.S. Subbalakshmi, or you see somebody's, okay, Zakir Hussain tabla, okay, and then somebody's playing some instrument, okay. You go to some musical concert, la 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 la. Have you seen some people, old people, your grandfather, grandmother, when they listen to people, no, they're always like they're swinging and they feel so nice, yes or no? They enjoy the music. And then what? They come to what? Alpha state of mind. When you go for a movie that you really love, you will be in alpha state of mind. Or when you are in the company of someone whom you love, it could be a mother, it could be a father, it could be a grandfather, it could be a friend, it could be a teacher, it could be me, it could be you. Anyone whom you love, sometimes, no, when you don't have good mood, when you are not okay, you say, yeah, I want to spend 5 minutes with you. Why? Your mood theek nahi, I want to spend some time. If I am with you now, I feel very good. Have you ever experienced that? Right? So you spend some time with. Others, when you do yoga, when you do meditation, automatically you are in alpha state of mind. Okay, alpha state of mind means when you go for early morning walk, when you do yoga, when you are in the park, when you're in the garden, when you go on a tour, right? When you are on the walk, sea beach, when you go to a music concert, when you go for a movie, when you are in the company of good people, when you simply sit quietly and do 2-3 minutes or 50 minutes of meditation, if you do, right? When you are focusing on your breath, imagine, Sudarshana Kriya I'm doing, I'm focusing on my breath, no? Automatically we are in the alpha state of mind. And once you are in alpha state of mind, you will have super what? Now what will happen? You will become highly efficient. Why? Because your right brain is working, left brain is working. That time, no animosity, no jealousy, no hatred, no selfishness, no irritation, no frustration. Even if somebody comes and they try to trouble you, they pass comments also. You say, yaar, chodna yaar, leave it me na. So you let go, you take it very easy. Okay. So you'll have no.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like no, before when I didn't get the last class recording of which you told.
JMAC Club.
Yeah, sir.
No, it must have come, right? Okay. JMAC Club, they send it next day morning only. Now, anyway, tomorrow you message me your email ID. I'll ask them to send it. Today also I've sent it. I put it already on the recording. It will come to you tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, can you send it in the WhatsApp number which I'll be asking when is the webinar?
Email. You send me your email ID and they will send it to that email ID. Okay, na? The link.
Sure,
okay.
sir.
Right. Next one. Now next is what? Alpha state of mind is the empowering state. Okay. So, and otherwise also, when you'll ask me, sir, when otherwise, if I am an adult, see, you and I, we are more than 10 years old. Okay. And are we not there in alpha state of mind? In every minute, 5 to 6 seconds, we get into alpha, we come back. Okay. That means normally also when we are walking, when you're working, when you're reading, when you're at the class, so sometimes you'll have spells of concentration. Means what? You go into alpha and come back. You go into alpha and come back. Naturally, we get into alpha. But small children, from the moment they are born till the age of 10 years, they're naturally, most of the time, they're in alpha. Adults like us, in every minute, 10 to 15 seconds, we get into alpha and come back. And anyone else want to get into alpha, what you should do? You should actually sit down there, and what you should do? Either you do 3-4 minutes of meditation, 3-4 minutes of what yoga you should do, or you go to temple, you go to church. But I'm in the classroom. How do I get into alpha? Imagine after 3-4 periods, I'm not having good concentration, but I want to have a good concentration. What should I do? Simple. See, after 3 periods, your social teacher had gone, and then your Hindi madam is yet to come. Just sit quietly, okay? Sit quietly in a chair, and then close your eyes 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe out, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. And if you can do 3 times, automatically you get into alpha. How much time will it take? It takes you 30 to 45 seconds just for doing this. That's all. 30 to 45 seconds you will take. That's it. So you go to alpha and come back. Go to alpha and come back. That's what you are supposed to do. Okay. Simple. Anytime. Whenever you want to go for an interview, right? You want to go for an interview. So before you enter the interview room, tension, just sit down there 3 times, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Tell yourself, relax, relax, relax. You'll be in alpha state of mind. So no agitation, no irritation, no frustration, no anger. All the answers will come automatically. Understand? So before you enter the examination hall also, if you can sit, I told you now, every time we go to exam hall, just what you should do, 3 times breathe in, breathe out. Means anytime when you want to do very important thing you want to do, you want to meet one important person, you have an important assignment, what you should do? Just sit quietly in non-doing. Means not non-doing means don't do anything. Sit down, sit quietly, and 3 times breathe in, breathe out. All are automatically you will get into alpha. Understand? Now this is the first thing that you should do, alpha state of mind. And once you're in alpha, what will happen is automatically what will happen? You will have super concentration. You will have, and you'll be empowering state. You will not become angry. You will be the most lovable person. You'll be the embodiment. Okay, right? Okay, you'll be embodiment of love. Okay, embodiment of love. Are you able to understand this? Okay, this alpha state of mind. After alpha, the next is what? No, next is what? Theta. What is theta? Theta is 4 to 7 cycles per second. So when are we in theta? Means like it comes very slow. Okay, look at this. Now it's coming very slow, very slow down. When are we in theta? When we are in deep sleep. Let me finish this. I'll take your questions. Okay. When we are in deep sleep, automatically we are in theta. Deep sleep. Sometime when you are exhausted, when you are totally tired, when you are asleep, sometime somebody will come and press the buzzer. You won't even wake up, right? And your mother will wake up and she'll open the door and your mama had come. So next day morning you get up, you got ready to go to school, and you saw somebody sleeping in the sofa, and you said, "Mommy, who is this?" And mama says, "No, this is your mama." When did mama come? No, night came at 12 o'clock. And then he came to your room also. He's trying to wake up you. Did not get up only. Has it ever happened? The मतलब इसको क्या बोलते हैं in Hindi में ना, गोड़ा बेच के सोना. मतलब when you are dead tired, when you are asleep, okay, when you are fully tired and sleeping, no, so you don't care for anything. That is what is called what now? Theta state. Theta state. Okay. And the next is what? Okay. Next is what? Delta. Next is what? Next is what? Delta. What is delta? Let me just explain this to you. Delta. Delta is 1 to 4 cycles per second. When are you? Means very thin state. Okay. When are you in delta? Let me just tell you, delta state. If you have met with an accident, imagine when you are driving a bike, one truck came and hit you, and then you become unconscious. You are in ICU. 10, 15 days, you don't even know that you are in ICU. Yes or no? No, that means you are in delta state. 15 days when you get up and and somebody will tell you, what happened 10 days, you are not able to breathe also, not able to eat also, you are not even aware. That's what is called delta state, means when you are not aware of anything. Second thing is when you become a saint. Have you seen people, Babas, Rishis? Sometimes they go on top of Himalayas and they keep on doing some meditation. They keep on doing some tapassu, right? And they do Ram, 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 Ram like this. And after 10, 15 years, what will happen? They don't eat, they don't drink. Sometime, like snakes will come and keep roaming all over, right? Beard will grow, hair will grow, right? And then one day they'll come down to your mainland and your Amma will go and ask, see my son Girish, right? Now what will he become when he grows up? Will he get married or not? So Amma will show your hand to your mother, to that Swamijina, and he will tell what happened in the past, what is happening right now, what is going to happen in the future. Yes or no? All Babas, Swamijis, these kind of people, they're able to do. Why? Because by doing intense meditation for long time, what happened is they're able to consciously control their brain to come to 1 to 4 cycles per second, and that's when they're able to connect to the supernatural force. Okay, delta state. Are you able to get this? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
you see those people are more powerful. Okay, and when it comes to zero, what will happen? Zero means what, Ray? Means dead. Zero means dead. When you and I are dead,
Well,
that is zero. Zero means your brain is not emitting any electrical impulse. Means zero means what? You are dead. Okay. So imagine. So first one is, listen, now beta, when we are awake, 14 to 21 cycles per second, it's not empowering state. Alpha, very empowering. Why? 7 to 14 cycles per second. Left and right, both the brains will function. Super concentration, super memory. You'll have all the answers. You'll be most lovable. And theta, when you're in deep sleep, 1 to 4. All right, 4 to 7. And delta, 1 to 4. And when you meet with an accident, or when you are doing intense meditation for long time, this is what delta, right? These are the 4 states how the brain keeps on emitting electrical impulses. Out of these 4, now listen, delta, we don't want. Why? None of us want to meet with an accident as of now, right? And then second thing is, none of us want to go to Himalayas and do meditation, because you have to get married, you have to produce 15, 20 children, 3, 4 husbands, 5, 6 wives. So you have long way to go. So now you are, I want 4 husbands, 20 children, marry. I want 6 wives, 25 children. Okay, you produce, I don't care. So you have you don't want to become Swamiji now. Okay, gone. Sir, accident, no. Next, theta, whether I do anything or not, sir, when I eat and sleep, now, sir, like that. Like that, sir, I don't care. Sometimes your mother and father go for a movie. They say, Ray, okay, right, Sandeep, okay, Sandeep Reddy, okay, right, and I'm coming. Night 12 o'clock, you should open the door. You say, yes, mommy, I'll open. But mommy will come and press the buzzer. You will not open only. Yes or no? Then daddy has to come and bang the window. He has to put one stick and throw at you. Then only you'll wake up. It's called theta. Now that means theta delta we don't want. All right. Now coming when we are awake, only 2 things are there: alpha and beta. So beta state is not empowering state. Alpha state is very empowering state. Okay. So we have to be, most of the time we should be in alpha state of mind. So the question is, when are we in alpha? I told you, small children, from the moment they are born till 10 years, we are naturally we are in alpha. And when people like us, in every minute 15 to 20 seconds, we go to alpha, we come out. We go to alpha, we come out. That's why little good in us, little bad in us, little concentration, no concentration, little memory is not there. Sometimes you are lovable, sometimes you become angry. So, but I always want to have the left and right, both the brains working. I want to be creative. I want to have a empowering state of mind. Okay, I want to be more lovable, no angry, no jealousy, no hatred. Then what you should do? You don't have to go to temple, you can't go to church, you can't go to mosque every time. Wherever you are, all that you should do is just sit quietly in non-doing, do nothing. Just sit quietly in the chair and just 3 times focus on your breath. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Take a deep breath, hold it, slowly exhale. As you exhale, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. One more deep breath, hold it, slowly exhale. As you exhale, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. Like this, if you do 3 times, no, and then tell yourself, next 45 minutes, whatever my madam is going to teach, I'm going to understand. I'm going to be the best student. I will have super concentration. Whatever she will tell, I'm going to remember because I'm got the best memory. All my friends love me. My teachers like me so much. Okay, next 45 minutes, only myself and my teacher. I'm able to see the blackboard. I'm able to see my teacher. I'm able to listen to her, my notebook. And only she's teaching me. No, just have that little thing now. Just tell yourself next 45 minutes, and then what will happen is you will have super concentration. No problem will be there. No problem will be there. Okay, super
Thank
concentration.
you so much.
Right? So this is what you're supposed to do, and automatically now for concentration, now memory has got 3 steps I told you. First is the reception, second is the storage, third one is the recall. Reception means you need to have concentration. For having concentration, our mind should be quiet. Okay, our mind should be at peace, and we should left and right both the brain should work, and then I should be most lovable person. For that, what you should do, you just have to take a deep breath, relax. Okay, little bit of meditation, little bit of dhyana you do, and then whenever you just do 3 times breathe in, breathe out, automatically you will come to alpha. Otherwise, rest of things I told you, when you go to a music concert, when you go for a movie, when you go and see a play, and when you are in the company of your friends whom you love, when you are with your mother and father, when you go for a long drive, when you are in the park, when you are in the garden, right? Or sometimes when you are there on the sea beach, okay, you feel so good. Why you feel so good? Because automatically you're in the alpha state of mind. Okay, sometimes when you go to temple, church, mosque, what is happening? Because you are quietly, you are sitting there, automatically you feel very good. So out of this alpha, theta, beta, and delta. So now how do you remember all of them? Look at this now. Here, what are these? Now I'm going to teach you this technique. Okay, see, 4 brain wave patterns: beta, alpha, theta, delta. Okay, got this idea?